Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are watching me for the first time here, my name is Binayak and I am the founder of Growth Clip Studio. In this channel, basically what I do, I talk about lead generation for local businesses, primarily using paid ads. Today in this video, I'm gonna talk about Google Ads extensions. So let's get started. So as you can tell already by the intro that today we are going to talk about the extensions in Google Ads. Before we start creating those extensions in Google Ads, let's understand what is actually extensions, why it's important in Google Ads, right? So it is really important to understand the concept and we can then start from there, right? So let's start with what are the extensions, right? So extensions in Google Ads are additional features and that advertisers can add to their ads to provide more information and enhance their visibility on the search result page, right? So these extensions offer various benefits, including increased ad space. Obviously that's going to increase the ad space. If you use extensions, your ads going to appear a little bit bigger than the regular ad, right? So it will increase the ad space and direct access to the relevant pages. Obviously you can add different pages to your Google Ads. I believe site link extensions will help you to do that, right? So you can add multiple different pages to your ad and so that the searcher can access directly those pages that are relevant to them, right? By using extensions is not only going to get you benefit of increase ad space and direct access to relevant pages, but also it will improve your click-through rate, right? So people are going to see your ad that is bigger than the other regular, and this will be eye-catching to them, and they will click your ad, right? Let's talk about some benefits. Actually there are more benefits you will get with the help of extensions. I'm going to talk about few of them right over here, right? As I told you that it will increase your visibility, right? Extensions expand your ads presence on the search result page and increase the visibility to users, right? So if it's bigger, people are going to notice your ad, right? It will also enhance your click-through rate. Extensions provide additional options and information and enticing users to click on your ad, right? So you obviously can add those additional options to your ad, right? So it will be enticing for the users to click on your ad, right? The next thing we can say, the improved ad relevancy. So extensions offer more context and detail, making your ad relevant and users search queries, right? So if you add those extensions, I believe call out extensions you can add, so it will appear as a text, but it will help you to add more information about your business, right? The next thing is direct access to relevant pages. As I told you before, certain extensions will allow users to navigate directly to the specific page on your website or contact your business directly, streamlining their access to relevant information. With the site link extensions, you can obviously add multiple different pages. You can link to those pages to your ad, right? So let's say you are a remodel company. Let's say you do bathroom sink, or you are providing floor plan change, right? So if someone is searching for floor plan change, they obviously can find your page about the floor plan change, and they can directly go to this page, right? And also with the call extensions, you can add your phone number that will appear right under the ad, and people can directly call your business without having to click your ad, right? Because they don't have to click your ad, you are going to save up some money. This some of the benefits you can get with the extensions. Let's talk about few types of extensions. As we talk about the lead generation for local businesses, I guess these four, not only four, maybe 5 or 6 extensions are enough to utilize your ad, right? So the first is site link extensions. These extensions will allow you to include additional links below your ad and directing users to specific pages on your website, right? So the next thing is call extensions. Call extensions enable you to display your phone number alongside with your ad, allowing users to call your business directly from their mobile devices, right? They don't have to click your ad, right? The third one is location extensions. Location extensions show your business address alongside the ad and provide users with directions to your physical store. It will help them to navigate to your business, right? If you have a physical store, right? Structured snippet extensions display specific detail about your products, service or categories, providing more information to your users, right? If you are advertising your business on Google, not only you're advertising for one specific service, but you also can add different products, service or categories that you sell. You obviously can add those to your ad, right? So this is basically extensions. That would be a great shame if I don't show you how to build those extensions in your Google ad. Let's jump into the Google ad account and let's start creating some extensions for your ad. So yeah, let's do this. So in the last video I already showed you how to build out your first Google Ads campaign. If you're running Google Ads for your local business, then you should go and check it out. The video will definitely going to help you out. In this specific video, I'm going to talk about the assets. So all you need to do is to click on ads and assets and then click on assets, right? Google actually offers various type of assets, but only few of them we are going to use in this video. We are going to talk about few of the assets, and just because we are building Google Ads account for local businesses, so we actually need 4 to 6 assets, which is site link, call out, structure, snippet and call. You can use the lead form, but I actually don't use the lead form. And what you must want to use is location. Now let's create those assets, right? The very first asset is site link. So we are going to click on the site link and click on this plus button. Why we need to use site link? We can use site link to put different call to action and showcase our different services. So the site link we can use for call to action, right? So we can write something like call for a free estimate, right? So under the site link text, as you can see, it will appear something like this. Under the ad, the text will appear like this, right? For the description, you can write description, but usually I don't actually write description. But what you have to do now, you have to create a landing page. You can use your main landing page. Obviously you can use the landing page URL right over here, right over in this final URL box. The only thing you have to you have to have a different URL for different site link text. But for the site link, what I actually do, I just create a landing page and duplicate the page multiple times, and then I create different URL for the page, right? They will get redirected to the same landing page, but the URL is different. I hope you get the idea, right? You also can use site links, link different service pages. Let's say if you have a page for like floor change, right? Floor plan change, right? So you can put the floor plan change page link right over here. So I hope you get the idea for site link text. So let's save this. Can we set this? No, we have to put the URL right over here. Let's cross it out, and yeah, let's move over to call out text. The same goes right over here, right? So you need to click on this call out button and click on plus. So we can use call out asset, put different call to action, your benefit points, all that stuff, right? So we can put like call for free estimate. You can put the benefits, you can put what you do, right? You can put like 1 day remodel, right? You can put something like professional staff. You can use call out extension in a very different way, right? So it will appear as only text under the ad, but it doesn't require any URLs, right? So it will only appear as a text form, right? So this is call out, and now we are going to talk about the structure snippet. Click on this plus sign, and you can use structure snippet to showcase your different jobs that you do in your remodel business, right? So for that particular campaign, let's say we are creating this structure snippet for bathroom remodel business. For that particular campaign, I would choose types. Then I can put something like let's say you do bathroom sinks. You do floor plan change, right? Floor plan change. You also do bathroom addition. So as you can see, we can use structure snippet this way. We can use structure snippet to really showcase our different type of jobs that we do, right? So we can use this structure snippet to showcase things, to showcase business types, right? So this is structure snippet. And the last thing, we can use call. Click on this and create the plus sign. This is one of the very important asset, because if you put the phone number, it will appear in the ad, so that the searcher doesn't need to click on this ad, and you don't have to pay for the clicks, right? So without clicking the ad, the searcher can click on this phone number and directly call your business, right? So this way you can get extra 3 to 5 extra leads, right? So you can use this call asset that way, right? So one thing you have to keep in mind, that the phone number that you are using in landing page as well as in the thank you page should be same, right? The phone number you are using in landing page, you should put the same phone number right over here. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm gonna put my phone number over here. So you can put your business phone number right over here. The second most important asset is location, right? So you have to click on this plus sign. So if you have Google My Business, then you have to put your same email ID right over here, right? Or you can request access to another profile manager. You can paste the email address right over here. What it will do, it will fetch your business location from the Google My Business profile. So it will appear under the ad as a location, right? So people who are looking for local businesses, they can see your location, and that way they will get to know that you are a local business and you are serving locally. They are probably going to call your business, right? So these are some of the very important assets. So this is assets. If you like the video, then please hit the like button And if you want to see more videos like this, then you can hit the subscribe button and comment down below. If you have any questions, then I will get in touch with you. So till then, bye bye and take care.